What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm in the OBS, and once again, instead of fixing the issue, we're gonna be working on the inside. And today we're gonna be replacing the dash pad, so let's get started, guys. All right, so as y'all can see, the dash pad is in really bad shape and needs to be replaced. So got the one from that one, got it painted up. Now the color may not match, but you know, it'll be better than this. So yeah, that's the task for today, guys. So let's get started. So the first thing you gotta do is put your glove box. Hopefully I can do this one-handed, which I don't think so. Oh, never mind. Oh. All right, so that's that. And I'm gonna try to see if I can squeeze you guys in here so y'all can see the 10 millimeters. You can see there's one there, and there's another one over here somewhere. Oh, right there. Right, yeah, right there, and right there. Now there will be also one right there, which is kind of like between the air vent. Now it's not too hard to get to them. It's just, I mean, you need a small ratchet and a short 10 millimeter, which is what we have here. Now I do have a 92, and well, this one's a 95 and it has 10 millimeters. My 92 has 8 millimeters all across. I don't know if they did it different years, different sizes, but that's how it was. So now let me pull the radio. I don't know if I'm gonna struggle, so let me put y'all down. All right, so radio's off, and as you can see here, well, y'all can't see here, but y'all can see there's gonna be one hidden back here. You can feel it with your fingers, like right there. Let me see if I can get the camera to catch it, and probably not. No, you can kind of see the tip of it. Camera's dirty, I think. Oh well. But yeah, there's one back here, and the rest are gonna be here. I think here, here, and here, or you'll see. But yeah, that's basically all it is. It's just 10 millimeters on mine. So got my little ratchet ready, so let's get started. Alright guys, all of them are off, and man, that last one, it took me longer to pull this one off than to pull all of these. So if you can, get your little flex head or ratcheting wrench, and it should help it go a lot more smooth. But there we have it, guys. And just like that. Oh, that's nasty. So now we gotta clean up all of this, and we got a little issue here with the dash, but I'm pretty sure if I pull the one from that one, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So what do you guys recommend I do in this case? Because I'm pretty sure it's just gonna keep cracking. Last time I saw it, the crack was like right here, and then as you can see, it just keeps going. So yeah, I don't really know what to do in this case, because I know the plastic's really brittle, and I'm pretty sure if I pull it either way, it's just gonna break off. So thinking maybe super glue or something, I don't know, but that's gonna have to be for another day. So right now just got to clean all this crap up and get it ready for the new to us dash pad. All right, and there we have it, all cleaned up best as I could, and here's a new dash pad, guys. Now, I mean, I did have to paint it because it had some sunburn, but like I said, it's better than what it had. So we're gonna run for it. Well, we're gonna run with it for now. So let's see how bad the color is gonna change. And oh, come on. There we go. All right. Well, it's not too bad. I guess it does change a little bit, but not as bad as I expected, so that's good. All right, just make sure everything's in there, and there we go, guys. Looks pretty good. Now, struggle again bolting it up, but look at that. All right, guys, so let me get to it. Gotta bolt this up and put it back together. Guys, there we go, all tightened up. And man, if you got big hands, you are gonna struggle a little bit. I mean, it's still doable, but you will struggle. So just a little FYI. So now gotta reverse the process. Take your harness out and put your radio back in, and obviously after that your glove box. So let me go ahead and do that, guys, so we can finish this up. All right, and there we go, got the radio in, glove box in, and man, I still need this thing, but got a little surprise for y'all. Since we got those in, it is time to put these things in. And as you can see, they're over there, guys. So let's get started. All right, guys, so now it's time to put the wood trim on the panels. And I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but I went over it with the template and made the holes. You can kind of see, man, hopefully they're in the right spot. I mean, they should be, but one way to find out. So here we go, guys. That's the right one. All right, guys, and that's the vent over right there. Now for the scary one. So let's screw in a little more, and hopefully they align, because I had to reposition it a few times when I was trying. Alright, so this one goes here. Oh boy. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Oh, there we go. Passenger side is officially on, and look at that shine, guys. Now they do still need a little bit of a polish, because I didn't polish them, but I'm still letting them dry. It's only been a few days since I actually finished all the poly coating, but look at that, guys. What do y'all think? I think it looks pretty good. I mean, for my first time, I'm not gonna complain about it. They look pretty good, but still need that piece. So what do you guys think? You like the wood, or should I have just let it be? Let me know in the comments. So now let's go on to that side and get that door complete. All right, guys, and again, same process over here. Just gotta line these up, and hopefully they're going with no issues. Tight. Now again for the top part, hopefully I can see. So raise it up a little bit. And it didn't do anything. Alright, guys, and there we have it. Door, wood grain installed. The dash bezel, wood grain installed. And on this one I had a little hiccup. This screw is gonna be moved about a 1/2 inch to the left, because right where it is, the screw that holds the bezel down to the dash is like right here. So when you bolt it down, it hits the little metal bracket that holds the screw for the bezel. So that's gonna have to move. And on this side, this one had no issues, bolted down, no problems. So either way, both will be getting moved. So yeah. So there we have it, guys. Got the interior pretty close to being perfect. There's still a few things that I need to fix, but you know, it's gonna take a little bit of time. Like, honestly, I don't know, but it's getting there. The wood came out really good. I think it came out really good. Now, like I said, it does need to be polished, but I'm letting it dry, well, cure. So maybe in another week or so I'll sand it down and get it polished up so it looks better. But you know, guys, for now it looks pretty shiny, and I mean, with the new steering wheel, it looks pretty good too. Still got to do the center console. So now I need to figure out what to do, because I think it's just held on by screws. I'm pretty sure, but I don't want to be without a console. Which either way, it doesn't really matter. I'm not even using the truck, so I might do it soon. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of the newish interior upgrades we did. You know, usual, like, comment, subscribe, share with your buddies. But that's pretty much gonna be it for this one, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.